So this is the kit that we will be using for determination of Planck's constant using LEDs. So this kit is having a sine wave generator which is fixed inside. So here is the placement, and then we have these are the connections that are inside. So there is a resistor, 1K resistor, then that is connected with an LED. There is a one place where we can connect the LED, and the voltmeter is there, whose display is here. Now this LED we will connect here, the LED will get connected here, and internally it will be connected like this. Okay, so we will start with the connections with the wire. So as you see, this sine wave generator is here, but this is an open circuit. So first we have to close it, short these two terminals so that it becomes a closed circuit. Okay, then what next? Next we have to connect the voltmeter with the display of the voltmeter. Okay, that's all is the connection required here for this experiment. Okay, and here we have few LEDs. So if you see, the LEDs look like this. So these are the two legs of the LED. One is positive, one is the negative one. You cannot make out a difference, but one of them is longer than the other. Longer one is positive and the shorter one is negative. And we have a slot here. We don't have to worry about the polarity. We have a slot here, just we have to introduce the LED here. That's it. Okay, so like this, the LED, basically this is connected here, even though we have the slot for holding the LED here. Okay, now what we are going to do is, for each and every LED there is a knee voltage for which it will glow. That is the threshold voltage we call, and when that threshold voltage is given, then only this LED will glow. Below that voltage it will not glow. So if I switch the kit on, and if the LED is glowing, then it will show what voltage it is, at what voltage it is getting operated. So that is the knee voltage. Now I have few LEDs of different colors, red, yellow, green and blue. These are 4 LEDs that I have. We have the wavelengths. The wavelengths will be given to you, like the red one is having 630 nanometers of wavelength, then blue one is 365 nanometers, green is 550 nanometers, and yellow is 583 nanometers. So I don't know what color is this one. By looking this, I cannot make out what color. I have to give some voltage and then see what is the color. So I'll just put one and then I'll switch on the kit. So this is a red LED, and it will show here what is the knee voltage. Just give some time, because the instrument will take some time to stabilize. Otherwise the reading will be fluctuating, and if you take reading during a fluctuation, you will tend to take wrong readings. Just wait for it to stabilize. So I am seeing for red LED, it is the knee voltage is 1.93. Okay, then once again I'll switch it off. Never take out any connection when the kit is switched on. I am taking another LED. Yes, and then I will put it here. I don't know what color it is. Let us check. Blue. Alright, for blue, again I will give some time. You can see the blue light glowing. Yeah. I hope you are able to see it nicely. So we have to give some time for the blue to stabilize, voltage for the blue to stabilize, and it is around 3.36 or 37. Note down this reading for this blue LED, whose wavelength is 365 nanometers. Again switch it off, take out this one, put another LED. Okay, we will put this one. Let's see, switch it on. Alright, this is yellow LED. Yellow color has the wavelength of 583 nanometers in this LED what is coming out, and we will just wait a little bit for the voltage to stabilize, and we will see, we will note down what is the knee voltage. So it is around 2.2, 2.0, it is around 2.16, 17 like that, okay. Yes, 2.18 you can take. Again you switch it off, take out the LED and use the last one. So there are 4 colors. So this is going to be this is the green one, very fade. Yes, yeah, it may not show up here, but it is glowing, I can see from the front. So the green one have a wavelength of 550 nanometers, and I have given time for stabilizing the voltage. After the voltage stabilizes, we will see what knee voltage it is having. It is around 2.22, so there is not much of fluctuations right now. So what we have got from this experiment is, we have got knee voltage for all the LEDs, red, yellow, blue and green. Now what we have to do is, from these observations, you have 2 columns. One is having the wavelength of the light, color of the light, and the associated knee voltage. Then what you have to do is, you have to multiply lambda into V, that is the wavelength into the voltage. Do it for all the colors, and then you find out the average value of lambda V. Then you have to put it in the expression that what is the expression for H, as we have discussed during our lecture demonstration. H is the Planck's constant. That is what we are going to find out from this experiment. So H equal to E into lambda into V average by C. What is your E? E is the mass charge of an electron, which is 1.6 into 10 to the power of minus 19 coulomb. C is the velocity of light, that is 3 into 10 to the power of 8 meter per second, and lambda V average is what you have got from your observations. Once you put that one and do the necessary calculations, you will get the value of H, which is Planck's constant, and whose value is 6.62 into 10 to the power of minus 34 joule second. Okay. So once again, once the experiment is done, what is your work? You have to remove all the wires and place them nicely in the box. Put all the do all the connections, take out all the connections and put all the wires in the box. Keep it aside. Sorry. Yeah. And switch off.